Ready to ditch the chaos and finally get a grip on your workload? Let's dive into how Clockify can be your productivity powerhouse by mastering task creation. First, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account and head over to the projects page. You can find it in the left-hand sidebar. Now, select the project you want to add a task to. Click on the project name to open its details. If you don't have a project set up yet, you'll need to create one first. Inside your project, you'll see Add Task button. It's usually located near the top of the project page. Click on that button to get started. A text box will appear where you can enter the name of your task. Make sure to give it a descriptive name so you know exactly what needs to be done. For example, write blog post or design landing page. Once you've entered the task name, click the Add Task button, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your new task will now appear in the task list within that project. And that's it. Now, when you start tracking time, you can select this task to accurately monitor how long you're spending on each specific activity. This is how Clockify helps you stay organized and boost your productivity.